Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to share with you a little tool that I picked up today. If you remember back on our last video, I'll link it up here or here, where we're going to be doing a garden shed project. And like any project, it's a perfect excuse to get a new tool. And thinking about this project, I believe I have everything that I'm going to need to get the job done, with the exception of one thing. I could do this completely, I guess, manual, but I needed a framing nailer, and this project is a perfect excuse to pick one of those up. So I went to Home Depot recently and picked one up, and I wanted to kind of show you guys what I have here. So let's take a look. So we got the DeWalt. It's a pneumatic nailer, framing nailer, 21 degree round shank nailer, and it is the DWF83PL. But it was on sale, usually 250 bucks at Home Depot, and they had it on sale for, I believe it was $165, $169. So it's like criminal not to get it, is how I sold it to my wife. So this is going to make the project a lot easier. So as I said, it's going to make the project so much easier to get all of that framing done. It's just going to make it a lot quicker. So given the price and the need, just couldn't pass it up. So I thought I would take you guys along on cracking it open. And I've used finish nailers, pneumatic nailers before, and trim nailers, pin nailers, those kinds of things, but I've never had a framing nailer. So this is going to be a cool addition to the toolbox, and going to make things a lot easier on getting this project done. So let's crack open the box. So instructions, we'll have a look at those. I think this is just some packing material. We've got it wrapped in plastic here. So there it is. Really good, sturdy feeling tool. You know, it is heavy. I don't know, maybe 6 pounds or so, but it's well balanced, which is going to be fantastic. So comes pre-installed with the connector already. I might switch that out for a swivel to make things a little bit easier. But as I said, it's a 21 degree. You can always tell what type of nailer or nails you're going to need for a nailer if you just read here. It's going to say 21 degree round head. It's going to give you the length and the diameter that you're going to need. So really simple. If you get the DeWalt nails, they'll even go as far as to have it this color coded the same here, so that you know that you're sure to get the right piece. So I know it has an adjustable trigger where you can do, I think, some bump nailing, which will be nice to make things a little bit easier. Loads from the top, right here in this slot. You can pull this back, and it's spring loaded. Will allow you to load them into the top, and to just release that, and it'll put the pressure on here. So all in all, really good looking nailer. So just a quick video. Just wanted to show you the new tool. We're going to put it through its paces here in the upcoming build where we put together the garden shed. Again, you want to check out that video of how we're thinking things will look. Next video on that project is going to be where we're going to be laying out all of the piers. I decided that I'm going to go with putting concrete piers. We're going to have 9 piers, and our 16-foot slides will sit across those. for all of our floor framing. So be sure to subscribe to the channel. We appreciate you guys watching. Give us a like, give us a comment below, you know, if you've used a framing nailer, if you had this particular model, you know, how you liked it. And we'll catch you guys in the next one.